What up guys, on this channel we talk about crypto mining, crypto airdrops and other investments based on crypto, but this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. So finally, this NT token is listed, and in this video I will explain every details you need to understand about the listing of the NT token, how to swap the NT token and other good details you need to watch. So it's better not skip the video, just watch the video. It's not a lengthy one, so just relax. Let me take you step by step. First thing is you need to update this application, and to do this just move straight to the my section. So on the my section you need to click on the about us. So on the about us, just click on official websites. That's the first thing. So going to the official website, you will not be able to download it on Google Play, so just download this or download for Android. So when you're done downloading this, you click on the downloaded application, then it's going to update. So once you finish updating, all you do is just click on the open. So once you click on the open, you'll be seeing a new face on the application. So now let's move forward. So now I'm going to their Telegram. On their Telegram, you can see steps on how to redeem and withdraw released NT token on Sunswap, because they've been listed on Sunswap. So just follow me as I explain everything in details for you. So on the Telegram, they listed it step by step. So I'll be going through all this step practically so that you understand. I will not just be reading it to you guys. So first off, you need to download the Tron link, because they're using a Tron network. They're based on a Tron network. So you need to download the Tron link, and their contract address is also there, what you will add. So let me show you these steps. I don't need to read it. Put it down here step by step. So it's got to a step 9. So I'll just show you all the steps practically. So if you already have the Tron link, you're good to go. But if you don't have the Tron link, all you do is just download the Tron link. But we're using the Tron link Pro here. This is it. So once you download, you open it. The link to will also be in the description box below, so you can download it through there. So once you're done downloading it, just follow the due process of creating a new wallet, or if you have already, just go on to this menu. So we can see here that we have 3 tokens. So in order to add up the NT token here, just click on the plus sign. So on the plus sign, you'll be putting the contract address over there. But to get the contract address, I'll be posting it in my Telegram channel, so you can come over there to copy the contract address. So once I post it here, you can see it's brought out the NT token straight up because it has been listed already. So I'll just click on the heart sign, so you can see access add successfully. So now I'll go back to the home page. You can see now that I've fully added this NT token. So that's the first step. The second step here now is how to swap the NT token you've received here. So I'll be showing you that too. So going on to the discover. So on the discover now, you need to scroll down straight to the Sunswap. That is where they are launched. So clicking on the Sunswap, click on the go. It's going to redirect you. Make sure this version is showing the V2. So now we have the Tron here and other token want to swap, but now we need to swap. So now bring the Tron down here right now. So the first thing to do is change this TRX to USDT, because we want to swap into the USDT, not the TRX. So just change it to the USDT. So the next thing to do is to search for the NT token. But if you don't get it in all these token names, not to worry. All you do is just copy the contract address again, as I said the other time, paste it over here. So once you paste the contract address, it's going to appear automatically. So all you do is just select it. So now you can see the options, the NT token to the USDT. So for example, if I'm changing an 100 NT token into a USDT, all you do here is just make sure you connect your wallet, the wallet you're using, right? So once the wallet is being connected, you can see the Tron link. So I'll be connecting my Tron link now. So once I connect the Tron link, then you can see the swap option here. And if I'm swapping 100 NT token, it's give me $27.96. So if you follow me to this extent, I really appreciate you. Like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, join the Telegram channel. So let me up onto the next one now. This is how to release the tokens, because you need to release the tokens you want to withdraw. So going back to their Telegram channel, they made another announcement again. So now this is how to release the token. So if you deposit 10 USDT, you'll be getting 2.5 NT token released every 5 days. So equivalent to TRX. So if you deposit 100 TRX, you'll be getting 2.5 NT token released every 5 days. And that's not all. You will also be getting, for example, if it's TRX, you'll also be getting 1% of that TRX you deposited every day, and also 30% in 30 days. So that's a double win for us now. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before you take risk with me. So to make deposit, I want to be using the TRX. So to make deposit of the TRX now, I'll just click on this TRX here. I'll click on receive. So then they'll give me a QR code or a wallet address I'm going to pay into. So I've copied the wallet address, so I'll be heading home to my Binance in order to make the deposit. So I want to make deposit of 100 TRX. Once I'm done making my transfer, all I'll do is just refresh this. So once I refresh, you can see, boom, I've gotten the 100 TRX. Now head over to the DeFi. So on the DeFi now, I'll be choosing the TRX because that is what I want to work with. So just click on anywhere on this box now. So once I click on it, I'll be inputting my 100 TRX because the minimum is 100 TRX. So once I do that, I'll just click on the start. So you can see successful. So if I click here on this detail now, it's going to bring out what I started. So after 24 hours, I'm expected to get 1% of the TRX I deposited, and in 5 days, I'm expected to get a 2.5 NT token. And I'll also give you guys updates once I start swapping into the USDT fully. Like the video if you gain anything, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, join the Telegram channel because there's a lot of giveaway that will be going on in 2024. So see you guys in my next video. Stay always blessed.